Hello and welcome back to Alex Goes Sailing. It's the next day and sun's out and we've got an extra body on board. We've got Dan.
Rubbing myself with sun cream.
Yeah, he's loving it. He's a red boy, he goes red in the sun. So I'm going to be fitting up some brand spanking new solar panels, mount them on the side of the boat using 3D printed mounts, as you can see there. I'm going to run you through the process, but I'll also be using these cable seals from Scanstrut. We've got 2 of them ready to go. They've been sat in the sun a bit, but these are for the solar cables. We're going to mount them on this back quarter here, had the cables run out. I have pre-ran the proper gauge cables to fit underneath the back here, so all we got to do is run the wires out, put connectors on the ends, have the seals put on, and put together the 3D printed mounts that I have here. We actually 3D printed these. This is ASA, so UV resistant, water resistant, all that stuff. My 3D printer is not big enough, so they're in 2 parts. You've got to whack a bolt through it, but plenty strong enough. So we've also got Dan back here.
Hello. Doing
a bit of work on the back.
I've already lost five winches and everything. Come up with the ideal solution, a bit of rope. Yeah, it's going well, it's going well.
We haven't lost a spanner yet. Alright, so I have the dual cable seal from Scanstrut. Fully waterproof, low profile as well, comes out at 90 degrees, which is nice. A cable of 5 to 6 millimeters. You can get this in different colors, so I got this one in black. So you can see a bit of an exploded diagram on the back there. Screws going in, seals, nice and simple. If you look at that, that's where your little seals go. So that'll squash in there, like that. The cable will run through there. And then comes out a very small hole in the bottom, which is nice. I think I'll have to drill the hole a tiny bit bigger, but apart from that, we should be good to go. Got the cable seal all put on, nice and snug, really easy to fit. 4 screws to hold the base plate on, 1 to hold the top in, and that actually squeezes those seals onto the wires. Nice and simple. And tucks it so it's nice and flush, and that'll run up to the solar panel that'll be mounted on this rail here. So now I'm going to put together all of those and get the panel mounted up. Right, so for these solar panel mounts, all we've got to do is insert some nuts into these 2 holes, and then we can use a bolt that's got a countersink there, and then I've also got a countersink one there, and they just bolt together. You've got Dan pushing in 1 nut, he's going to put them together.
Yeah.
Keep on going?
Keep on going.
Yeah.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Right, we've got a panel, we've got the mounts on the back, so we're just going to go over and clip it on to the side of the boot. Should slide on something. Just get unsettling crunches from the 3D printed plastic. And it just clunks into place. And that'll pivot like that. I think we've got to move this back one in a bit, because it's right on this radius and you don't want that when you're clamping it down. Right, putting the bolts in, just slide them home, and that's pretty easy at the end. Buzz them in. Right, so that's the solar panels fully installed and they just look amazing, fully adjustable, and I've already hooked them up to the Victron charge controllers, so we should get plenty of power from the sun. Plan is, the wind is slowly picking up, tide's just risen up, and we want to head down the Solent for our bit of a test sail. So as soon as the tide starts going out, that's when we'll go. There should be a bit more wind, although we don't need much wind in this little thing. But we're going to go for a swim. Absolutely lovely conditions for a swim, so we're going to go and do that.
It's not that bad. It's actually quite refreshing. Stop being dramatic.
Right, we just got out of the harbour, and would you look at that? Bow sails up. We're kind of the wind vane. We haven't. I think the plug's a bit messed up, so I'm gonna check the wires tonight. But we have a vague wind angle, and that's about it for wind. You can probably see it on this page if I scroll to it. Oh, there you go. There's a sailing page. You can see that arrow is where the true wind's coming from. Speed through water I need to calibrate because that's not quite right, but apart from that we're doing 5 knots overground in what was basically no wind earlier, and yeah, I'm guessing this is probably like less than 10 knots if I had to guess. Dan's ready to party with his little shirt on.
I'm loving it, I'm loving it.
We got the ST2000 hooked up as well, taking control. We might try the Screecher, possibly. Might be a good time to test it while it's light. When I was cranking the sail up, I left one of these reefing lines hooked on, so I had to uncleat that. But apart from that, sails are up. Nice and simple. Right, I didn't film it, but we've got the brand spanking new Screecher out from Sanders Sails. Looks smashing. Got it in white because why not? Boring. Not as colourful as Dan's shirt, but the Spinnaker asymmetric, the new one we got, is quite a nice blue. So don't know if I'm going to try that, but we've just turned up into the wind a bit, setting 60 degrees to the wind, and we're already doing 6 knots. So we can build that up a bit, make a bit more apparent wind. I haven't even trimmed it, I've just pulled it in willy-nilly. Haven't even trimmed the main. Whoa, we're luffing. Turn down. Whoa. Focus, focus. So we're luffing a bit too much there. We dropped a bit of speed. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, not bad, I like it, I like it.
There's the owner's manual, and that tells you everything you need to know, what angles you can do, what speeds you can do, and when to have the sails up and when not to. So that's kind of what I'm going to follow until I get the feel for it.
Are you ready?
So yeah. You ready?
Like, next to no wind, I'm already a professional.
Professional.
It's the shirt that gives me 5 years experience. I have no clue what I'm doing.
Well, you haven't crashed yet.
There's nothing to crash into.
Exactly.
It's the only reason he's given me the steering.
Put it towards you now. There you go. Because as soon as it starts flapping on the front of the sail, that's when you know you point it too far that way, and you just turn it down quick and it'll be fine and dandy. See, you feel the power coming in. Feel a bit of, you feel a bit of acceleration. See, that's what you want to feel. And I'm spouting absolute rubbish because I'm not a pro TRIMARAN sailor yet.
Like me with my 0 years experience, but it's the shirt.
Yeah, a bunch of numpties trying to sail a TRIMARAN. Push it away! Push it away! Let's pull this autopilot in. Tuck it in. Need to change the block, need to move it over here because that's where it's meant to go, but whoever did this, don't like it. We got 5.5 knots, wind's picking up a touch.
Maybe I'm just getting better at sailing.
Yeah, it's a pro over here. We're gonna hit 6 in some light winds. Mind you, I probably haven't even got this sail trimmed properly yet. 5.7. Got a nice little wake gripping. 5.8. 5.9. 5.8.
Suspense is killing me.
I know. I just broke that. I was grinding a little bit too much and popped it off. The other side's a lot better because it's just a rope and a knot. That side had that little metal thing and it's a bit manky, so I'm gonna change that side, but for now, just whacked it on a cleat. It's not loads of power, I just pulled it in by hand, so yeah, quite light wind still. It's about 3 o'clock-ish now, so we might head down to Osborne Bay a bit, come back to Bembridge, see what the plan is really. We've got a ferry coming out towards us as well, we've got to be careful of.
I wanna take you out of your head right now. Let it go. We can roll it up when the sun goes down. Take it slow. Give it time, it'll pull us under. Throwing shots like she in a jumper. Make me sweat, she the heat of summer. I just can't cool down. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, like you can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this energy.
I just filled in the screecher, so deciding what to do because we can carry on for a bit longer, but we kind of want to anchor Bembridge over there, so we could try the Spinnaker maybe. Do you fancy doing the Spinnaker?
Yeah, let's go.
Bit of fun, big blue sail, bit different. Try that one out, make sure it fits before we do the Round the Island race, which is coming up. So yeah, we're gonna douse this one and get the Spinnaker up, which is tucked down there.
Sweetness and light for my restless mind. Please give me a way to escape this world gone astray. You could give me a little peace of mind.
Look at the sail, it's lovely. Look at that big brand new sail. Testing things out, making sure they all work. So that fits, I'm happy, all good. Loving it, isn't it? Loving it, loving it, loving it. Loving it like that.
We both fall in and the boat just goes on autopilot. So.
Carries on, sends it.
You have to pay for that footage usually, and you get it for free.
This is it. This is life.
Do you want to tell them about the story about I thought that was a plank that you'd installed to your boat?
Yeah. Dan thought that was a plank I put on the boat.
I asked him, I was like, what is that black thing at the end of your boat? And he goes, have a guess, have a guess. I was like, I literally have no idea. And the only thing that come to my mind was like a plank. And I was like, oh, that would be a good idea, but I still think he should like build something on top of it so he can make it into a plank. Otherwise it's just a useless bit of black plastic.
It's aluminium actually.
Same difference.
Same difference.
Now?
Yeah, go for it. I might need a bit of folding in the bag a bit. We almost had 7 a second ago. Right, we're just coming up upon Benbridge. We've done some pretty slow tacks back up. Had some good speed. We're just trying the upwind abilities with the new centreboard. And she's doing all right with not much wind. We were making our own wind most of the time, which is pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna get in and drop anchor, roll in the headsail, just drop this slab reefed main, so it should be quite easy. We've still got plenty of sunlight. It's been ages and ages. Just drop the outboard in. How's it going? How do you find this first sail?
It was good, it was good. I'm glad I didn't get seasick, so that's always a bonus. I think my neck might be a bit burnt. I did put on plenty of sun cream, but such fair skin. And yeah, we'll soon see how much it develops. But yeah, looking forward to another day of sailing tomorrow.
Right, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed that shakedown sail we did with the new big downwind sails. Mingulay was ripping along really fast and it was heaps of fun. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode.